Have pets in your home? The Pawsitively Clean by BISSELL Rental Carpet Cleaner is quick and easy to use. Start by vacuuming the entire area. Consider pre-treating any really tough or set-in stains. Pull the top tank handle up and remove the dirty water tank. Next, lift out the clean water tank. Take the clean water tank to your sink and fill with hot tap water to the water line. Add 2 capfuls of Pawsitively Clean solution using the built-in measuring cap. There are many solution choices to fit your cleaning needs. Next, replace the tanks, making sure the dirty water tank is fully seated on top of the clean water tank, and you're ready to clean. Start the machine and recline the handle. Press the trigger and make one slow forward and backward pass over the area. Release the trigger and make one slow forward and backward pass over the same area to suction up additional dirty water from the carpet. Repeat wet and dry passes, overlapping by 3 to 4 inches. The flow indicator on the machine stops spinning to let you know when you need more water and solution. Empty the dirty water tank and refill the clean water tank with additional water and solution if you have more cleaning to do. When you are completely finished cleaning, unplug the machine, then remove and rinse both the clean and dirty water tanks. Check the brush roll and the bottom of the machine for dirt and debris and remove as needed. Put the tanks back on the machine and it's ready to return to the store. Quick, easy, and you're done. The Pawsitively Clean by BISSELL Carpet Cleaning Machine.